is forward. Huh?
We won.
How did we beat you guys?
We had to wait.
We had to like 4 or 3 elevators.
All right, what we doing? See?
Hey.
Let's go ahead and check this out.
I feel one more than 4. Yep.
We are front. Hold
I
on.
love it. The bunk
Bomb.
beds go hard.
Bomb.
Yo, this room goes hard. I actually love it.
Then we got straight to the left. We got bunk beds. 2 bunk beds right there. Amazing. What do we look at? Is this the bathroom? Hold on. Hold on.
What the heck?
We got
What's
bathroom.
in here?
Yes, baby. Bathroom. Cool. Full body mirror. Bomb bomb. Bomb.
Daddy, I'm just sweeping in this.
Bomb. Are you?
Yeah, I'm just sweeping the bus, but good night. Good night.
We got.
Where are you going?
In the back of my van. I love
Hold
this
on,
room.
hold on, hold on.
Love it.
Here we go. Got couch. We got. Oh, shoot. What is this? King size bed. Macari. Ice cream on it. Look at 2 seats. There's plenty of room in here. So for a family of 5, this is amazing. This is really dope. What we got? What is this? Little fridge. Whole bunch of space. Closet. Hang up all your stuff. Light jackets. Up there. Hold on. Who's up here?
Reminding sweet.
Huh?
Reminding sweet.
Hey, Dada.
Hi.
Hey.
And you're gonna, you know, when you're, what's up?
What's up,
Oh, this
Kurt?
curtain.
There's the curtain.
So, yeah,
And then this folds out to a bed as well. Yeah. Amazing. I love it.
I love this.
It's a great room. Wow. Amazing.